Hey Cobras, it's me, Mr. McGrath, your librarian, and this is my second video showing you how to check out a book. Of course, I start by going to bit.ly/EJKingIC. I'm going to click on Check Out a Book from the EJ King Library, and this time I'm going to show you some of the more advanced ways to search. Up here are collections, and these are collections of books that I've created for you, and if you want me to make a new one, I'm happy to do that. Let's pretend you are into poetry, and these books are like novels told through verse or told through poetry. People tend to really like these. They read quickly, they're easy, they're insightful. And the nice thing about looking through collections is you get to see a little description of the book as well as a picture of the cover, and you can see what kinds of things, topics these are about, and you can click on these to see if we have more like that. Um, the problem is you can't really see if the book is in until you click on the book. And then this is where you can put on a hold and make sure that it's actually available to you. I've already signed in, so all I would need to do here is to put a hold on it. I guess this one's out. Another way I can search is to click out of this box, and I can go here to topics. These are things that the book company has created as a filter. Perhaps I want to look at a science fiction book. And so I click on science fiction and I can see right away that these books are in or out and simply place a hold on it. Again, after you put a hold on it, even though it says it's in and ready for you, it isn't. You need to wait for me to send you an email because now I'm the only one allowed to check out the books for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the next one I'll show you how to use all these filters. Thank you.